Now we're going to look at one feature in Spark that isn't necessarily related to this scene, but I figured we could cover it now. So normally I work in a 3D viewport, which is what you see here. And under View, you can change it to Back, and then I'll just align it to this back, which is a little confusing. You're on the back side, but you're looking forward. And in View, you can change this to Orthographic projection. And this removes any of the perspective out of it. So you get this like very straight lined view. So it's as if the camera is infinitely far away, zoomed in infinitely. So you don't get any perspective or any distortion. And then the final view is this 2D view. And if we line this up, the 2D view and the orthographic view should be identical. So we'll keep it to orthographic, back, and then switch to 2D view. And it looks like when we switch back to 3D, it automatically goes to perspective. You can see what I'm saying. Orthographic here, and then the 2D here are pretty much identical. You just get the little rulers here on the 2D view. So if you're working with 2D objects, this 2D view is great, but if you want to line up stuff on the side per se, you can go look at the left or right, and then turn on the orthographic view. And that way you see this view with no perspective, so you can line stuff up really well.